Hey guys, it's Ange. Hey, welcome to our channel. In today's video, Julian and I hit the roads and go do some fun adventuring and touring in the South Okanagan. We are tackling some of the Forest Service roads that we hit up in the winter looking for moose, but this time we are looking for turkeys. Yep, that's right, turkeys. Sadly, spoiler alert, we don't find any and we see very little wildlife, but we do run into some crazy roads and it's a little bumpy along the way, so buckle up. And anyway, enjoy the ride, and thanks for coming along with us as we tour these Forest Service roads in the South Okanagan. All right, enjoy. Take care and talk to you soon. Okay, where are we going? What are we doing today? Tell me what we're doing.
We're going for a drive.
To look for?
See what the snow level's like.
Okay. All right, there we go. And there's our dead GoPro, so no GoProing. Quite a bit different than when we came moose hunting. Is this where we're going?
We're gonna go right, but we'll come back and go left. We'll go that way.
Okay. Keep our eyes out for the elusive turkey. We're in a predicament. We've come to the end of our plowed roads.
That looks like Baldy Road.
I'll get out. I'll explore.
That would definitely be Mount Baldy.
That we saw?
Yeah, because it's like up there.
Oh, well, can't see it. Oh my god, it's muddy. Okay. Ah! Oh no! It's really muddy. Okay. I think if we went this way, we go to, oh yeah, Mount Baldy. That way, says Conkle. And we're pretty muddy in the taco. Tanya, apparently her name is. And no turkeys and no wildlife yet. Oh! Are we beside a like little pond or lake? Oh, there's something down there. I'm gonna go look. Be right back. Okay, I'm just gonna go look. Okay, without getting too muddy, let's see if I can go down here and see. Ugh. Kind of a drag. My shoe got so muddy I didn't realize I stepped in. All right, what is down here? Oh, okay. Okay, it's deep. And I'm only in runners. Okay, oh yeah, I might fall in. Okay, I'm not gonna fall in. Let's go over here. Julian can't come get me though if I hurt myself, so no one's gonna get hurt though. Okay, as long as I don't fall into the water. Yeah, it's deep here. I just went kind of in. I can't go any farther, but it's really cute little marshy area. Okay, walking back. Oh my goodness, well, that was exciting. Okay, I can't get any deeper because I just keep sinking, but we'll continue on our... Oh God, what's he doing? Okay, he's having fun. Time to go back home, I guess. Go look for turkeys on the way back. There's my ride. Oh my God, your car is so dirty. And then I walked down to that thing, but I kept falling in. The snow was deep. Okay, back this way. Hello, tree.
Ready.
Where are we on the map? Somewhere in there. Okay guys, as we're driving back, I caught a glimpse out of my eye of Apex Mountain. So there you go, that's pretty cool. He thinks he's so funny. He's pretending to leave. Don't leave without me. It's a long walk back. Stop it. You're lucky I love you so much. Oh, you thought you were pretty funny, did you? Leaving without me? Mm-hmm. Okay, we're back on, what is this road?
We're on Okanagan Falls FSR now.
Okanagan Falls FSR, and we just went as far as we could on Vedder Meadows FSR. Could have gone farther if the snow hadn't been an issue, but another month or two, that won't be a problem, and maybe we'll tackle that one again and try to make our way to Mount Baldy. But yeah, there you go. This one goes towards Penticton. It's what?
And the 33.
Oh, and the 33. Yeah, we'll tackle that one as well.
On the lake.
Okay, another thing is still no wildlife. We have not seen a bear, a moose, a deer, a grouse, or the elusive turkey tom that we were trying to see. We have not seen that one yet either. So anyway, we'll keep adventuring and hopefully we will run across something somewhere. As we're driving, we noticed that they've been doing some work to clean up this fire area. It is just crazy. So, and across the way, there's Apex again. So, looking west. And here's very muddy Tanya Taco. Don't get us stuck.
Jesus.
Oh my gosh. I think this is the trickiest part of the trip. 4-wheel drive.
Clearly not been plowed.
No.
Very far.
Nope. They sure didn't. This is crazy.
I am so surprised. It's like a mess.
I was expecting the other road to be like this.
Yeah.
Not this one, because this is a main one from the back of Penticton to OK Falls. So for this to not be plowed, it's kind of crazy. Oh, oh my God, someone got stuck there.
Yeah, like.
Yes, driver, what are we gonna do?
Well, it's not very far, but.
Dilemmas. We're not very far from Penticton. But
Yeah, we are, but we aren't.
what do we do?
I don't really want to.
It's not that bad until you get up there. Okay, say that now. We've got a winch, but there's nothing to winch to.
No, like. A shovel.
Okay, you're in 4-wheel drive?
I mean, obviously people are going through it. But Jesus Christ.
Whoa. Tanya's getting a workout today. Turn around either. Oh,
no.
Thank goodness someone chopped the tree down up here. I was not expecting this. And it's spring, it's slushy, it's hard-ish to drive in.
I guess someone's stuck here and they use the tree to get themselves out.
Oh, maybe. Hopefully this is the worst of
Hopefully
it.
it gets a bit fucking better than this.
Shh, I have to beep that out. Someone made a very cool little rock statue right there. Okay, I think we made it. Is it hard driving with hand? Is it hard driving with one hand and hand controls? You're doing a great job. It's breaking up a little bit better here. But that last 5 minutes was rough. Now it's a little bit better.
I'm really surprised at how shitty this road is.
It is not in great shape. And this is the road that we drove in the Moose Tracks video. Same road. And yeah, it's just kind of keeps getting worse and worse. But we're so close to Penticton, like, and you can't really turn around because the road is just like this. So forward we go. Whoa. Okay, we're hoping we made it out of the worst of it. As they say that, it's so bumpy, but the road is a lot better. Just really muddy. So,
but not snowy.
Not snowy, no. So, Tanya the Taco will be getting a bath when we get home. I am zooming in on Big White, so we have seen all 3 ski mountains that surround us. Big White, Apex, and Mount Baldy. We are finally on the home stretch to Penticton. Yay, no more snow. I'm loving it. Okay, we made it back into Penticton without any issues. Yay! And of course, as soon as we get into Penticton, what do we see? Deer. So, anyhow, so we did see some wildlife. Not very much, but yeah, there you go. All right, we're at the car wash. We're gonna get her clean. She got a wee bit dirty in our little adventure. I've just got the wheelchair out. I'm gonna walk it around and meet Julian on the other side, and he'll be all clean. Yay! Look at that, all shiny again. I always sound so dorky saying goodbye, but we are almost home, and that was quite the adventure we had. Didn't really see that much wildlife, and we've got the car cleaned, and